So today we will be talking about actual stuff, that how to create the content. Of course, I'll be in this session, I'll be just talking about the basic content creation, but the same process will be the same. Whatever content you will create, you want to create a high quality content, of course you can follow the same process and you can create your own content. It's just about the time you can put in the content creation, and based on that, your expertise, your vision, you can build the highest quality output you possible that you are imagining. So let me just share my screen quickly. So I'll be using ChatGPT in this initial thing. So I'm starting with the ChatGPT, where I'm just So I have decided one topic, that I want to create a story, motivational story, where there's a boy and who's helping an old man basically. That's the story I have thought in my mind, and that will be a motivational one for kids. And write a 30-second emotional short film story about a boy helping an old man and receiving unexpected blessings. So this is the prompt that I have given to ChatGPT. I think our team just put these prompts also in the chats while I'm moving forward. So based on that, this has given me a short script. You can see here: on a rainy street, a poor schoolboy noticed an old man struggling to carry a heavy bag while people rushed past without carrying. Though late for school, the boy quietly lifted the bag and walked the old man home through the rain. So this is the story I have created with the ChatGPT. I have made some modifications later, and then what I have given the next prompt is that help me create full character sheet. So basically, in the story there are two characters. One is the old man, and the next one is the boy. So I need those character sheet, because that will help me create the consistent character in the entire film, so that the character should not look different in different sorts. Because when you will create the images in different images different time with AI, the character will change. So that's how you can make them consistent. You have to create the character sheet first. So this is how we create the character sheet. Then I asked them to break this script into scenes and then shots. And then also I asked him to write a short narration, background narration, which I'm going to use as an audio file for the video. So it has given me full character sheet prompts for the boy, for the old man. Also, it has given me the short wise details you can see here, and the narration also it has given me. So I have used this in the in the Gemini. I'll quickly show you how I have moved from here. Yeah, sorry. So on the ChatGPT, I'll just show you quickly. I just pasted that prompt which I got from the ChatGPT. That I have just said refer that as a character sheet for old man. No, I think this is not for the here. Sorry, my bad. I was into next chat. So yeah, here I pasted that character sheet prompt for the boy. So it has given me the boy character sheet character you can see here. So this is the character sheet. You can see where we can see the character from the front, side, left, in the same dress with some facial expression, like whenever they are sad, how he will look. Whenever he's happy, how he will look. So that's how we design a character sheet for both. But there is some issue. If you can see here, the head of this character here are looking back basically. So I have asked it to correct. It has happened for this old man also. You can see here. So I have corrected it later with the reprompting, and I have the corrected version of this character sheet. So I have downloaded both the sheets now from this thing. Further, I have decided to create, first I have decided to create a real life character. But what happens in the real life character, AI is now getting more stricter. So it does not allow you to create the real human looking characters, because that creates the violation of rules. So that's why I moved away from this real life scenes to an animated one. And that's how I reprompted it that here. Let me just quickly go back. Here I have just given a reference image of ChatGPT that I need the character or the scene to be designed in an animated form like this, not as a real character, because it is creating me the AI violation in my prompts. And that we cannot do because that will further impact you in the copyright or further stuff. So whenever you are creating, either use your own face, give your consent. Otherwise, use the animated one or the content which are not copyrighted or cannot be copyrighted. So this is a very like fine thing that you have to be careful. So I have given this image and has given this prompt also, like how the image, my image prompt will look like. Then I have generated the image prompts out of this for all the shots. You can see here. So I have just I have just said that let's use the same story, but change the style. Don't give me hyper real. Refer the attached image for style. So this I have said, and also I've asked to give me the all the image prompts and what I need in the image prompts, like what should be the camera angle of those images, and some detail about the action is happening in that shot. So it has given me shot wise prompts for the image generation. You can see here every shot 1 2 3 4. Then like scene wise it has given me scene 2, scene 3, shot 1 2 3 4, then scene 3. So that's how I copied all the prompts one by one and went to the chat GPT here, sorry, the Gemini here, and I asked Gemini to create those images. But what I'm doing here, you can see here I have asked, I have given this prompt, but I also added this prompt, which I think I have given to the team. They will paste you in the chat. This line must be written at the beginning. Then you paste the prompt that you received from ChatGPT and also attach. So let's say I am just generating the image for the old man. You have to upload your character sheet, old man character sheet, so that it will refer the character and only generate the character with the same face and getup and the style of the person we are using. So you can see the same man has been used in this image has been generated. The man is walking in the on a street in a rainy day, and he's trying to moving with this bag, heavy bag. Further, I also generated one more shot of the same shot, but in a different form. Then I have developed another shot that the student is walking with the same road and the old man is struggling with the bags. So that's how I kept giving the prompts and the character sheet images in every prompt, and I was able to receive my final output as a final image, first frame of the every shots. So that's how I generated all the images and then downloaded all the images in my computer. Now in the chat GPT, I'm just moving to the next step. Let's say just I'm putting those images. Let's say I'm putting the scene one images. These are the 6 images that I have shortlisted for the scene one. Then I've uploaded them and asked the chat GPT that help me create the image to video prompts basically using the Meta AI. And I also have given the example prompt like how simple. So Meta AI works on a very simple language. So you have to be very simplistic. You cannot go as deep as you go for the Google VO or other models are available in the market. The Meta is very say a very light tool. So you have to be very simple. You have to write that prompts in a very simpler language. So that's why I have given the example also to the chat GPT, and GPT has given me all those 6 prompts for these 6 images. Like let's say I have this image. So I have an animation prompts for this specific image. But if you want, you can write your own prompts also, because you have a image already. You can just think of like what you wanted to do in that specific scene. So those simple English or Hindi you can directly say to the Meta AI. So I'm just moving ahead with the to the Meta AI now. So what I have done on the Meta AI, I have just uploaded this image and I asked the Meta that animate the scene, people walking gently in a in a rain with umbrella, the old man carrying heavy bags and struggling while walking And also I have written about the camera, that gentle camera push I want in this. And that's how it has written with this video of that image specifically. You can see. So I was not satisfied with the first output. That's how I changed my prompt little bit by myself, and then I generated another videos. So that's how you can generate multiple options. Upload once you are happy with the video, then you upload the next frame, the next prompt, then generate your next video. Okay, so that's how you upload all your images, generate the videos. You can see. Okay, so that's how I have generated all the videos one shot by shot. Then I have downloaded all these videos to my computer. Now what I have done, so till here the prompting are done, so there is no prompting required hereafter. You have just compiled all the things, but one thing is left, the audio, the base on which the entire film needs to be staged. So I have also used the Gemini for this. I'll quickly just show you. So here I have written this prompt. Team just paste this prompt also. So I have remember I had this narration earlier with the chat GPT generated earlier here. So I have used that narration, but I have given the prompt that generate a quick emotional narrative voiceover from a deep male Indian vocal in Hindi dialect within 45 seconds long, and then I have pasted the narration script that I got from chat GPT. And for that I have chosen the music option. So if you're in, let's say you are on the new chat, there's an option called music, create music. So you have to choose music option to generate any audio file. So when you are creating image, you should choose the create image, but when you creating any audio file, you should choose create music, and then that's how you can create the music out of it. So after this, I have this audio file ready. Let me quickly play it. Let me know if I'm able to hear it. बारिश भरी सड़क पर Are you able to see, guys? I mean, एक बूढ़ा are you able to hear? Sorry.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
अपनी भारी थैला उठाने की कोशिश कर रहा था। लोग गुजरते रहे, किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, लेकिन एक छोटे बच्चे ने अपने कदम रोक दिए।
So that's how the audio has been generated. Now I have downloaded. I have all the video files and the audio files here. So let's download this and then move to the new tool, new edit tool. It's an online web tool.
Shashi, Divya is asking that which tool right now you are using to create this video?
So I have used Meta AI to generate the videos and Gemini to generate all the images and the audio.
Okay.
And ChatGPT used for the prompts only.
Okay. So many students are asking for prompts also, where you get the prompts. So prompts we get from the ChatGPT. I hope now this point is clear. And then you created the images from Meta AI, and then finally the video is generated by Gemini.
No. Image is generated by Gemini, then video is generated by Meta. Yes, somebody is asking. Yes, Meta is free. Meta is free. Yes.
You are asking about Meta AI.
Yes,
it's free.
Meta is the free, but there's the only limitation that you can only download the 720p output. You cannot download the high quality output from the Meta. That's the challenge. Even it's so there is a no paid option also on the Meta, so you cannot download the high quality from the Meta.
Shiraz Meta is asking a very interesting question based on this video, that how to fix if the audio does not match the image in the video.
So you can create multiple shots. Let's say, so when you are watching a film, there is a scene, and in the same scene there are multiple shots happening with the same. So you can create multiple shots and fit well with the audio that you want to fit in, because one image cannot fit the entire audio. You have to go with the multiple shots to fit that audio.
No, I think his question is like image. Suppose a boy is running, but the song is saying or running word little bit after 1 second.
Okay.
That is the point. If the song and the image are not matching, That is the point.
So there are possibilities in the paid models, but on the meta you only can take do like, let's say you want the boy is running, so you can take a shot of boy walking from the wide shot or maybe from the close-up shot. Then you can move up to a wide shot where the boy is running. So in that case you have two shots which you can use. For first the boy is walking, then in the next shot the boy has started running from walking. So you have to do your testing you by yourself, but these are the prompting things that you can do. But the solution is that you can go with the multiple shot options. That's the only way you can achieve on the free tools. But if you'll go with the paid tools like a C Dance or other models, Kling and all, there are multiple options. There are only, you can do the prompting and it will create the from walking to running, all the transition in between, from close up to wide. Also it can give you multi-shot models. So those are possible with the higher models. Yeah.
Got it. Got it.
So the time is about to finish. Just let me
Yeah.
just finish it off, then I'll take the questions. So I
Oh,
have
can
used,
you please zoom it also, Shashi?
yes, I'll just try for this thing. So I'm using this Google Vids because this is also free and this is better than the diffusion. I have both the tools open here, but both tool works similarly. So you can work on any tool. The both works similarly. So I'll quickly just tell you how I'm just doing it. So you can simply upload your audio file. So you simply drag and drop your audio file here, and then you can upload your video file here, and you can further tweak whatever you want to tweak that you wanted to make on the video and audio. You can simply select and adjust the length of the video and audio. Let's say I'm just using this, then I have another shot that I want to use, so I'll use this shot next here. So that's how I make the edit. You can also put some text if you want. You can just go select your text option and you can write your own text you wanted to. Let's say that you want to put the title of the film, or if you wanted to do the captioning. Let's say the audio is running in the background and if you want the caption also to be visible on the video itself. Let's say I'm just putting it here. It will take some time. So there's a caption button here, so you can see. Let's say if I'm playing it.
Oh, nice.
So this is the basic. So I have a edited version. Let me just open that and I'll just quickly show you the final output, what I have made out of this.
Rita is asking that which tool currently you are using for this video.
I'm using this Google Vids. So just go to your Google. There's an option of Google Apps here. You can simply click the Google Vids here. You can see the Google Vids. This is a new tool have been added to
It's
the
a
Google.
new tool. Yes, I heard about it.
Yeah. So this you can go and then you can start editing your videos. So you can just quickly see this output now.
So,
बारिश भरी
participants,
सड़क पर एक बूढ़ा आदमी भारी थैला उठाने की कोशिश कर रहा था। लोग गुजरते रहे, किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, लेकिन एक छोटे बच्चे ने अपने कदम रोक दिए। वो स्कूल के लिए लेट हो रहा था, फिर भी उसने थैला उठाया और बूढ़े बाबा को घर तक छोड़ आया।
So I'll just quickly share that output also. Maybe a full screen I'll play. So that's how I edited this film. And then there's an option. You can just go to the file option and you can simply download the MP4 output, and that's how you have the final output is ready, which you can upload. You can see I have also added the text here at the end. I'll quickly show you here.
that's really nice. Divik is asking, do we have to take subscription? How much cost and month sufficient to generate such videos?
So no, so the content I have shown in this session are nothing require any paid subscription. It has all been used the free tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and the Google Vids. All are free. Even if you are using mobile app, there's a app called Google Studio, YouTube Creator app basically. So you can use the Creator app, and there is of course there's a 7 or 8 videos that you can generate every day. But those are free, that you can use higher model of Google like Veo 3, and then you can generate the higher quality video. and then further you can edit it here.
Great, great. That's really nice. Now, Chintan is asking, why aren't we using Gemini ecosystem for all prompts, image, audio, and video?
So we can, but the Gemini is not that much fluent in terms of giving prompts. So GPT is better than that. Even now the Claude has came into the picture. So the Claude has the much better prompting of these things. But Claude has a very limited daily usage of free users. So in between that, the GPT is the much better option. That's why I'm using GPT.
Okay. So it means that whosoever is having a better options, then we should shift to that AI tool.
Yes, of course.
And as you explained, the new tool also of Google, so that is also the good option. Of course, that has also a very nice features.
Yes.
Great. So Ritesh is asking, can we do multiple shots, multiple audios?
Multiple shots. I didn't get you exactly what you want asking. So you can generate multiple
Maybe
shots from Meta, from the same image, you can generate tens of shots. It's just that until you are happy with that shot, you can keep generating.
okay, multiple shots, but he is saying that with multiple audios also.
Yes, you can generate the multiple audio, let's say, but let's say if you are using the Meta app, Meta AI app, in that you just upload your image, and if you want, let's say you want to speak something and that you want to use that audio to that character as a lip sync audio, that also you can do. So you can use the same character image, but you can keep talking with that Meta AI and keep giving your audio files, and it will keep generating your further shots of the same character.
Got it. Got it. That's nice. So according to your prompts, it will keep on changing. If you want
Yes,
the
yes.
multiple audios, according to the prompts, you can
Just
change.
one thing. If you're using the Meta AI, there is a watermark Meta gives on the app. But if you're using the web version of the Meta AI, there won't be a watermark. So that's the difference between using the Meta AI app and the web.
Okay. Prince Sarup is asking, can I give audio to Meta and instruct to match the video motion based on it?
No, you cannot control the motion with the audio, but you can Meta can lip sync your audio. Whichever audio you want, Meta AI can lip sync that audio.
Okay, got it. So video cannot be matched with the audio. We don't have any kind of tool. Not
There are tools. There are paid tools are available, but not the Meta ones. You have to go with the Kling AI and the C Dance